Have a nice day, everyone. I have a Christmas wreath, a super cute Christmas decoration. Let's crochet it together, okay? Materials need red, white, and green yarn, a ring. If you don't have one, I will show you how to make it. A pole, crochet hook, and needle. Okay, if you don't have a ring, just take some yarn and grab it several times like I'm doing here to make one. Let's start with the ring. Make a slip knot and attach it to the ring. Now make 2 chains. 1, 2. Then go double crochet stitch around the ring. Make sure the total number of double crochet is even. And keep the space even, not too close, not too far apart. For my wreath, I made 20 double crochet stitches. Finish the row with a slip stitch here. Now cut the yarn. Use white yarn for the pumpkin stage design. Make a slip knot. Attach it into the first double crochet here. Crochet 2 chains, 1 and 2. Now yarn over. Insert the hook into the next stitch. Take the yarn and put the yarn up to the same height as the 2 chains. Pull through 2 loops. Repeat this 4 more times in the same stitch. Now we have 6 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through all 6 loops. Make a slip stitch. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Slip stitch into the next stitch in here. Repeat the pumpkin stage pattern all around the ring. When you finish, create a hanging loop. Now crochet the red bow. Make a magic ring. Chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then work 5 treble crochet into the ring. 1 treble crochet. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Chain 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Slip stitch into the magic ring. Repeat the same steps for the another of the bow. Chain 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Make treble crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Chain 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Slip stitch into the magic ring. Cut the yarn and showing. We're done. A simple and beautiful Christmas wreath. Thank you for watching and supporting me. See you in the next videos.